Blades not spinning on Ninja Blast? Quick fix. If you press the button and the light comes on but the blades don't spin, here's how to fix it fast. 1. Check for blade blockage. Sometimes frozen fruit or thick chunks can jam the blades. Flip the blender over and look for anything stuck around the blade. If it's blocked, gently remove the debris. Never use fingers directly on the blade. A narrow cleaning brush works great here. We've linked a set below. 2. Look for the orange light. If the light flashes orange, the motor is either jammed or overheated. Let the unit sit for 15 minutes and try again once it cools. 3. Don't overfill the cup. Overloading the cup makes it harder for the motor to start. Stick to the max fill line and avoid packing in large frozen chunks without some liquid. 4. Make sure the vessel is locked. If the cup isn't aligned properly, the motor won't run. Check for a flashing white light, remove the cup, and twist it back into place. Still stuck? Reach out to Ninja Support using the link below. And if you need better cleaning tools for those tight spots around the blade, check the brush set we've linked. If this helped you out, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more quick appliance breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and blend easy.